you know just what to do.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing my paper squishies. Before we get started with that, I just want to tell you guys about my trip to BC. It was really fun there and I saw a lot of new places. But I wasn't there for all that. I had a big chess tournament there. It was pretty intense, but I tried my best and I hope other people did too. The plane flight was long and tiring, but I got to sit with my friend the way there. Anyways, let's move on. We're here to review some of my paper squishies. This is my Cheez-It squishy. I really like it, but it's pretty old, it's pretty wrinkly, but it's still very squishy. This is my friend's Lace Chip squishy. I really like it too, and she does too. This is my Talkie squishy. I really like the Talkies, and I work pretty hard of them. Next, we're gonna do my Blue Ranch Doritos. I really like this squishy, and it just feels brand new, but it didn't make it that recently.
Yeah. Oops.
My Lay's, my Oreos, my other Oreo, my Sour Patch Peach version, my Cheetos, my friend's Chips Ahoy, my Cheez-Its, my Talkies, my Goldfish, my very mini Ruffles, my Fritos, which I really like, my Blue Ranch Doritos, and my Berry Welches. These are the Eggo waffles I'm working on. And this is the stuff I use to make my paper squishies, including the markers. Stuffing the squishy, and this is the finished product. Ta-da! Bye! See you next time.